Once upon a time, there was a boy living in a small village. He was very intelligent and was down to earth. He had a very narrow view of nature and always praised God for his blessing and bounty while feeding his cattle in the mountains with tree and grass. One morning after doing his prayer, he was there with his parent for breakfast.
Papa salam alaikum. Mama salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Wa alaikum salam. Son, let's sit down and eat breakfast.
Sure, Mama.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
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 Dad, can I take cattle for feeding?
Sure, my son.
Now, Ahmed took all his cattle out in the field to feed them. As usual, he climbed on tree and sat on a branch, watching cattle and praising God for his blessing and bounty, thinking, how human are such that they don't see the nature in creation. Even then, people forget him. As this was a routine of Ahmed, and he come every day, looking after cattle, sitting on tree branch, and pondering on God creation. One day he was sitting on tree branch, watching a nest of bird. Nest had few baby bird and was enjoying the sound of them. Suddenly, a big car with a man sitting back with his kid passed by and saw him watching the baby bird. Suddenly, they came back. Man and kid came out of car and asked Ahmed his name.
What is your name?
My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed, can you bring down this nest for us? I will give you 5 coin.
Sorry, sir, I can't bring nest down.
Ahmed, I can raise money to 10 coin. Can you now bring this nest for us?
Sir, even you pay me 100 coin. I won't bring this nest down for you.
Ahmed, why not?
You know, it's a sin to break someone's heart. This baby bird mother had gone to bring food for their baby, and when they will return, and if they won't find the baby, their heart will break. And they will cry.
Now this man felt ashamed in front of Ahmed and realized that the boy was more wise and knowledge able than him in sense of ethic and morality. As Quran says, every species which are generally considered as insignificant deserve to be treated as communities, irrespective of their usefulness or apparent ineffectiveness.
اللهم صل على